Hello and thanks for investing in this course. This is Bharat Tippireddy. I am a Java architect and best-selling instructor. I'll do my best to help you make the maximum out of this course. And this course is organized in such a way so that you will first learn everything that is required to create a Java project from scratch, and then you will work on the projects themselves. At any point in the course, if you think that you know a particular topic already, feel free to skip that section.
You will start this course by learning what microservices are, the different layers that make up a Java application, the 10 key classes that you will be creating across these layers of your application, and the technologies that you will be using to create those layers. Once you master all those concepts, you will implement the first layer, which is the data access layer, in 2 simple steps using Spring Data. You will then move on to implement a complete web application that will allow the end user to perform, create, read, update, and delete right from his web browser. And in the process, you will learn how to implement the data access layer, services layer, and presentation layer for your applications. Sending emails is a key requirement for many Java applications. You will learn how to do that while building a utility layer for your application. You will use the Spring email module, the Java mail sender, and with a little bit of configuration, you will be able to send out emails from within your application. Using third-party libraries is very important in the open source world. You will learn how to use the JFree charts, which will allow you to generate beautiful reports out of the data in your database. So you will implement a utility layer, use the open source library called JFree charts, and generate some reports out of your data. Microservices applications communicate with each other through the integration layer, and one popular way of doing it is by using RESTful web services. You will learn how to expose out RESTful web services from within your project or application, and you will also test them using Postman. Once you master all these layers, the data access layer, the services layer, the presentation layer, utility layer, and then the integration layer, you are ready to work on projects. This is where you will create the different layers again while working on 2 mini microservice applications, namely flight reservation and flight check-in. You will be working on functional requirements such as user registration and login, searching for flights, booking a flight, and then finally checking the passenger into a flight. And you will also implement the non-functional requirements such as logging, security, deployment, and many more. There are also many bonus lectures on how to upload and download documents if required for your applications, and I'll also be adding many more bonus lectures in the future.